Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I am going to share few stocks in which we can expect huge volatility or a good volatility in the coming days or the weeks. For this video series is for monthly series. In this video, I am going to share the stocks that are good for the upcoming weeks. So now we are going to the study the charts with help of the price action. So the first stock is the C8. I have mentioned C8 in my I think very first or my second video of the channel. The first or second week of April, somewhere around here. The stock gave breakout and now is the near again this pattern, again the breakout, and now in a range, rising wedge you can say, or rising channel you can say. Not yet it had narrowed, and this is near the 1 year trend line, uptrend. So we can expect a breakdown here, then it may take support at this trend line and show us an up move. Here a breakdown, support, and then again up move. A very low chance of giving a breakdown here. So let's see how it moves in the next month, June month. The next stock is HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics. It's very good on the chart. This channel pattern breakout forming this rounding bottom, yes, you can see it, and let's see here on the weekly chart. It has formed the cup and handle pattern. This is the cup, this is the handle, and the breakout has came. So the first target is this resistance, and here you can't expect this much target. It's very much big. It's 60%, more than 60%. So the first resistance is here. After this breakout, this resistance, the first target we get is around 1220. So we can expect this target, but this 60% move is hard to get. You should wait for the months to achieve this target. 60% is not very easy. The next one is Bank of Baroda. It is in downtrend from the May 17. Now it is giving the breakout, not breakout yet, but it may soon give breakout, but I don't think so. Now the results are negative, loss, but let's see. There is a very good volume, and this volume can't be generated by the retail investors. this these are the institutions, mutual funds, insurance companies, FIs. They have generated this much volumes in the previous few months, last few 4-5 months. So we can see the breakout, and the first target comes is 178 near it. The second target directly 133, and if we give a Fibo, apply the Fibo, see perfectly it has taken the resistance at 0.38 level. See, so let's see how it moves. It didn't get closed here with breakout, it formed the week. Let's see how now it close this month on, and where it starts the next month. The next stock is IDFC First Bank. I also shared on TradingView. I also posted here. See, you can follow me on TradingView. I will give the link in the description. Yeah, retracement, with the retracement decreasing selling volume. With FIBO, it is near 0.61. If it takes support and reversed, then we will not take the trade long. If it cross 0.61% level, 0.61, and it sustain for a while and consolidate, then we may take position, as we got the confirmation that the trend has been changed. So the first target is around 68.90, but to go a little safe, it's 52-week high, so it's not very easy to break this. It will come, let me show you. It may come here, sustained for a while, and then here test it, then again consolidate, and then again it will show an up move. So you can get the target in June month here or the next month, July. The next stock is Axis Bank. I've got here pattern on the weekly chart. See, 1 year resistance line, support line. This is one resistance, this is that pattern's resistance, transaction pattern. It has taken its resistance. See, the wick has been formed, decreased volume here last 2 weeks. Let's see how it moves. Here it has taken good resistance. See, let's see, it has been, as I mentioned before, the major resistance are never crossed in the first attempt. It test it, retrace, then again try to break it. But let's see how it moves. Canara Bank, yes, this is a turnaround, I think so, of this company. Maybe because it is been in the downtrend for the last 10 years, 10.5 years, I could say. See, lower highs and lower lows. But here you can see the major triple or five-fold increase in the volumes, and again this is not possible for the retail investors. Yes, mutual fund increase holdings from 2.39% to 3.36. I have taken this data from the Ticketive website. You can Google it. This is much buying this much buying possible only for institutions. Yes, see the volumes. Again here the red candles, red volumes has decreased. Again good breakout possible, and the first target, see, if it gave breakout and closed, the first target is this 235, and now it is trading at 162. So around, if it gave breakout, 40% move, 40% move, that's huge, very huge. It's not easy to gain 40%. Again, one more financial stock, iBuild Housing, Indiabulls Housing Finance. We have got a good news in it. Array, wait a second. Indiabulls Housing Finance. Yes, on the weekly chart. See here, this pattern, but it has formed in the downtrend, so it should, the if it is formed in the downtrend, then the probability of giving the breakdown is huge, means very high, not huge, you can say. Yes, the downtrend for last 2-3 years, forming downtrend, but not consistently, confused buying, you can say here, less, again increased, again less. Let's see how it moves. If it gives the breakout, if here, you can say stop loss here or here, as you wish, as per your risk management. In the first target, before for safety if you are not that risky player. Here 344, risk and reward ratio is not that pretty well, 1.18. Let's see how it moves next one. CDSL, I will give you some insights that I am currently holding this stock and I am in 20% profit. uh, Now it has been 1 month. I have bought it. Here 28, 29 somewhere here April. At my average price is 811. I am currently at 19.76% profit. I am expecting a very huge move in this. As per SEBI new margin rules will benefit in future. Of very much benefit to this stock. Let's say very bullish for last few weeks. Yes, you can see this pattern again here breakout. I also shared this stock when it gave this breakout of May 14. You can check on my profile, on my trading profile. I will take you to my profile in the last video, last part of my video, and the last stock IEX, Indian Energy Exchange, India Energy Exchange. 1 minute. Yes, on the daily chart, it has took here the support and form a good weak rejection to go downwards. If in future it is trying to form the head and shoulder pattern, this left shoulder, right shoulder, then the right shoulder, let's assume it may form half at the half height. Don't analyze like that. It's not that good. Yes, May 27 MFI 22.78. So good buying opportunity. Not now. If it crosses this candle's high and closed, then a buying opportunity, you can say, for short term, not proper short term, for few days as a trading purpose if you are not an intraday trader. Yes, these were the few stocks. Let me take you to my profile of the trading view. Yes, I've shared this IDFC First Bank again here in this video. Camps, gold, it gave breakout May 20. It is still, we are in trade. Yes, it also gave breakout CDSLC May 14. Back to back breakouts and also has good potential fundamentally in very few months. Now it is around this level now. Nifty Media after the bullish head and shoulder, you can say this much it has crossed, and I also give updates. Yes, that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. So I am now taking the leave. I hope this video is completely for the educational purpose. Don't take it as the calls. I hope, because I just want you to learn or give the information, or I want to teach you how to do the analysis. I am not that pro investor or a trader. I am in the market for a while, just a year. So I am still in the learning phase, always in the learning phase, and that's a roller coaster ride. Being professional, not that sounds me very exciting. So hope you enjoyed the session. Like this video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.